In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your GitHub profile public so it stands out and showcases your contributions effectively. Whether you're looking to share your work with potential collaborators, employers, or the coding community in general, this process will help you display the right information in an appealing way. Let's dive into the steps. First and foremost, you'll need to sign into your GitHub account. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you into the area where you can personalize your account settings to make the most out of your GitHub profile. Now that you're in the Settings page, look over to the left sidebar and you'll spot an option titled Public Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Here you have the opportunity to add or edit the information that you'd like others to see when they visit your profile. This includes your name, which could be your personal name or a pseudonym, your bio. Think of it as a brief introduction about who you are and what you do, along with details like your company, location, and even a personal website if you have one. You can also add links to your social media profiles. These elements are the keys to providing a broader picture of who you are beyond your code. Once you've made all the adjustments and feel satisfied with the information presented, click Update Profile to save these changes. Now your profile shows the world exactly what you'd like it to see, but let's not stop there. We want to make sure your actual contributions can be viewed as well. To showcase your valuable activities and projects effectively, we'll need to make your contribution graph visible to the public. Go back to the Settings menu and this time choose Profile. Within the Profile settings, scroll down to find the section titled Contribution Settings. Here, you're going to want to enable the option that says Include Private Contributions on my profile. While this is optional, allowing it can provide a more comprehensive view of your activity over time. By enabling this, even your contributions to private repositories can be viewed publicly on your profile, showing a fuller picture of your involvement and productivity. With these settings enabled, your contribution graph will now be proudly displayed on your public profile for everyone to see, meaning you can confidently share your GitHub URL, knowing it represents your hard work accurately. And there you have it. Your profile is now public and poised to show off your skills to the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you enhance your GitHub presence.